No, God! No!
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid.
Hey, it's your girl Des, back with another YouTube video. Today we're gonna be doing a top knot blend with my short hair and a quick little natural makeup tutorial. So the first thing we'll be using is this Coil Calm Detangler by Cantu, and we'll just be combing it through the hair, making sure it hits every piece and part so we can spread it out. Next, I'm gonna be getting my Shea Moisture water bottle. Check that length out. Okay. Next, I'm gonna be grabbing my coconut curling cream by Cantu as well. Y'all, I was struggling to open this. I do not know why, but you're just gonna rub this through your hair, get it in all parts. Make sure put some moisture in there. Since my hair tends to get dry, I often blend it with my Whole Blend Smoothing Oil by Garnier. This often just gives me like a little moisture, just keeps my hair healthy and shiny for a good little couple weeks actually. So y'all, I actually have a bald spot in the front. I often stress out from school and stuff, so next you're just gonna grab your Eco Styler. It can be any kind, it doesn't have to be the one I have. I typically use different ones. This is just the one I actually had to have in my house at the moment, so next, you're just gonna grab your, I guess, black girl brush. I don't know, that's what I call it. And you just, brush your hair up. Next, you're gonna grab your Got to Be Glued Invincible Styling Gel. Not glue, gel, you guys, gel. I did not like how that blend came out. It was all lopsided, and I don't know, I just didn't smooth it down good enough, so we're gonna try this again. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to do my edges, but I use the Style Booster Edge Control. Or edge boosters, I don't know what it's called, but the scented ones, they're the best. I use those, and I just lay my baby hairs, and I also use it to smooth up the back of my head as well, and then puff my hair out and keep it moving. So now onto the makeup. I always start with my brows. I'm just gonna brush them out simply do that, and then I'm gonna get my Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Caramel, spray some setting spray in there because, you know, it'd be super hard, and I'm gonna let that sit for a minute. Then I'm gonna go back in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil in the color Caramel as well, and I'm going to outline my eyebrows. Now I am going to take my dip brow pomade and go back in and fill my eyebrows in accordingly. So now I'm gonna take my palette from my local beauty supply store. It's a concealer palette. I really don't know what it's called, but I'm pretty sure you can find any palette. It doesn't have to be super expensive as long as it has your skin complexion in there. And we're just gonna, you know, shape these eyebrows up real nice and neat, and boom, we're gonna be done with it, you know. I just love when I slay my eyebrows, like, period, sis, period, you know. So now I'm gonna take this eyeshadow palette named Undercover that I got from Ross. It was like $6.99. Yes, sis, from Ross. And I'm also gonna take my other palette from BH Cosmetics. All these products will be linked down in the description below, just so you can go and find them yourself. But I'm gonna take these colors and I'm gonna start doing my eyeshadow. So the first color I went in with was Ammo from the Undercover palette, and then I went to my NYX palette that I actually wound up finding and using this brown. The NYX palette I made personally when I went to the NYX store, so I can't really tell you guys the color or where I got it from. But after that, I finally went in with my BH Cosmetics brown, and I also went in with a darker black color to try to make like this darker effect, but I really didn't like how it came out, so I wound up going back to my NYX palette and blending that into the corner and into the crease as well. Now I went in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Medium Beige, and, you know, made a little cute little half crease on my eyes. And I went back to the Undercover palette and went to the color Metal and blended that in, and then went back with the color Ammo and blended that in so it wouldn't have such a harsh line. Now I'm going to grab my girl Fenty and go in with the color 340. That is my skin color, and I had actually made a mistake. I meant to go in with my MAC NC42 concealer, studio concealer, and conceal all my spots first. Then I went back in with the Fenty Beauty and went over my entire face. Now I'm going in with the same concealer palette from earlier, and I'm blending these two colors and getting my definite highlight shade. I am now going in with my NYX mineral powder in the color Medium Dark and, you know, setting my face. Then I'm going to go in with my Cat Von D Shade and Light Contour Powder. I really don't even know if that's what it is, but I think that is what it is. Anyway, then I'm gonna dust that finishing powder off, and I'm gonna blend that contour in. You know, don't want any harsh lines on your face, of course. So now it's time to bronze. I use 3 different products. I use Neutrogena Skin Clearing Mineral Powder in the color Honey Beige. I use Hermosa Rose from Milan Beauty, and I use this contour and bronze palette from the Color Workshop. After that, we're gonna hop into my favorite part, highlighting. I use the Sun Dipped Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is my favorite. It has lasted me so long. I've probably had it for like 2 years now. Next, we're gonna go in with our eyeliner in the color Little Black Dress by Sephora, and then we're gonna go in with our lip liner in the color Chestnut from MAC. So next, I just went in with these eyelashes that I got from the beauty supply store. I honestly threw the pack in the trash, so I can't tell you guys which ones they were, but they are by Kiss. They're just little, they're natural lashes. I really only put these on when I don't feel like having such a bold effect, and it's just a quick little natural makeup look. You don't really have to wear lashes if you're not into that sort of thing, but hey. So after that, I'm gonna go in with my mascara from Too Faced Better Than Sex Waterproof Mascara. Then we're gonna go in with these 2 lip glosses, both from NYX. One is Strictly Vinyl in the color Sugar Mama, and the other one is a butter gloss in the color Praline. So I know y'all see this harsh line on the front of my forehead, and I know y'all trying to figure out like, okay, how's she finna blend this? You're just gonna take that same contour from earlier, blend it, set your makeup, and you know, boom, you're done. Then you're gonna take your chopsticks, put them inside your hair, you know, make sure they crisscross from each other, and got your final look. Okay, hey you guys, I'm back. You know, had to get all that makeup and stuff off, but anyway, so this is the part that you guys have been waiting for. Y'all want to know who won the meme challenge, of course. We're gonna start with 3rd place. This person, obviously this is their, well, we're gonna have a drum roll, so give about like, okay, anyway, this is their meme, and I'm gonna say her name is Kaya, I think, but girl, you won you $5, period. Anyway, okay, on to the next person. 2nd place, drum roll. Boom, here you have it. Alexis, girl, I'm just playing. Anyway, yeah, so she's a winner of $10. Her meme actually isn't even me, but it was funny, so I just, you know, had to include it. But yeah, and now, you know, for the final last person, the winner overall person, like, girl, this girl saying more than one meme, and they're all funny, like, period. Anyway. Anyway, okay. Anyway, we're gonna have a drum roll. Anyway, boom. This her meme, bruh. I was dying. Like, I had to ask multiple people. This was a very hard competition, but the winner of this one is Ari. Girl, you won me $15. Anyway, I'm just playing with you guys, but yeah, This was a quick, simple little challenge. It just wants you to show your creative side for free money. And I will be having more, but you hope we participate next time. Anyway, but no. Stay tuned for another video in a couple days. Wednesday, actually. Wednesday. Stay tuned.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah.